shakes before the sunrise, with the weight he cannot hide. Empty pockets, tired footsteps, but a fire still burns inside. He prays in quiet corners when no one hears his plea. Lord, give strength to these shaking hands and watch my family. 'Cause the nights get cold, the roads get long, but he keeps walking even when he feels he don't belong. And he whispers, God, I'm holding on with everything I am. Don't let my children feel the hunger that I felt again. If I break today, lift me up again. I'm just a poor man, but you're my only plan. Ooh, this is the whisper of a broken man. He hides his fears in laughter so his kids won't see him fall. He carries every burden just to give them hope at all. But when the shadows gather and the world feels cold and rough, he kneels down in the silence, saying, Lord, let this be enough. Though his bones are tired, his face still fights, a little flame that flickers through the darkest nights. God, I'm holding on with everything I am. Don't let my children feel the hunger that I felt again. If I break today, lift me up again. I'm just a poor man, but you're my only plan. Yeah, this is the whisper of a broken man. If hope is just a heartbeat, then let mine beat for them. If love is all I'm giving, let it never end. And if tomorrow's battle knocks me to the ground, God, remind me why I'm fighting. Help me stand my ground. Oh, and he cries out, God, I'm holding on with everything I am. Keep my family safe, don't let them fall again. When the world is heavy, help me rise again. I'm just a poor man, but you're my only plan. This is the whisper of a broken man.